is going. Allison's really dragging it.
His butt's up.
What, Cookie?
His butt's sticking up.
Yeah, he has a big butt.
Yeah, he does.
The other moose is gorging on some tree. The other moose is gorging on a rotten bunk. I guess
It's eating
dinner.
it.
Mom, say happy Thanksgiving to that them. Happy Thanksgiving.
I was like, happy Thanksgiving. I was nervous. My butt.
Okay, Wanda. Thanks, Wanda. Introducing Wanda Duck. Wanda Lawrence Duck. Can you repeat your name for the camera, please?
Hi, my name is Wanda Duck.
Why did you decide to change your name to Wanda Duck?
Because I wanted to.
What did your name used to be?
No.
Huh?
I just some movie.
Okay.
Just
Thanks for chatting with us, Wanda. Uh-oh, look. We've got Moose on the move. Maybe because Alice needs to get her makeup, which is in her car right there. Moose right here. Car right there. Moose right there. Oh, not going to happen, Alice.
Look at its short little tail.
It's pooping.
Andrew,
No,
you guys are
Why
obsessed
was
with
dripping?
nothing.
Andrew.
It's dripping.
The other
Don't
one
be
peed.
gross.
The other one peed. It's
Okay.
It's okay. That's what they do. That's what you do. Don't worry about it.
I just peed and
Look, he's going to your car. Alice, what's he going to do?
Hey.
Oh, at your car.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he just went past it.
He's getting in the driver's seat. Get out of the car.
It looks like he was
Oh, where'd the other one go? He
behind
left?
the trees.
Oh.
Apparently I can't get my
Yeah,
makeup.
there's a moose print in the grass. And a big melty patch. And another moose print in the grass. In the grass, I said. In the snow. Here's Bo, freaking out about the moose. You okay, Bo? You alright?
Oh, does it
Okay.
have to be cooked?
It's cooked, Alice.
Oh, is it going to be warm?
I really want to. I got me.
We're heading around the corner of the fence of the neighbor's house. Well, do you think I would serve cold turkey, Alice? Is that really what you think?
Yeah.
Look at me.
No.
Is that really what you think?
Oh, it's just sitting there.
It's been in the oven for an hour almost.
So
Half an hour. Yeah.
That would be
You
so
want to just stick your finger in it?
The moose would be so bad. I want it to come back.
I'm petting the bow. Bow's so short.
I'm so short. He is.
Sing hallelujah, Cookie.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Sing it, Bo.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.